Okay, you lunging? Good.
Last one. Back to traveling squat. Right away.
Now I'm doing the head.
Okay, go ahead.
And 2. One more here. And lunge forward. Right away. Lunge. And lunge. Let's really start it.
Good.
2 more. Just let it out of the air.
2.
Good. Good job, Naomi. Good working out.
Thank you. Let me see.
Keep finish your workout first.
Casey. And stop. Casey. Casey.
Yeah, in a second.
I'm doing more, Daddy. Lots less.
Oh, she's doing her lunges.
Oh, look at you socks too. Good girl.
Woo. Can you lunge with the other leg? Good. Good lunging.
Must be tired.
There we go. Can you do that one? That's a girl. Good girl, Naomi.
Do a lot of exercise, Dad. If I don't do a lot of exercise, I'll do a lot of tiring.
Yeah. Keep going. That's good. Good exercising. Good.
Step, kick, step,
Stretch and down.
So yes, it might look like Charleston, but think powerful. Kick back,
Good. Excellent.
strong. 3,
That's a girl, Naomi.
2.
I got my lunch, Mom.
Yeah?
I got it. So look in the middle.
Good girl, Naomi. 3 more.
Woo!